Shi'ur Mishnah Zayin. Next Mishnah. Third chapter, 7th Mishnah. Shi'ur Etrog Katan. Okay, now we're going to get the minimum measurement of an etrog. What's the minimum measurement? How small can it be? השיעור הקטן ביותר של אתרוג, the minimum measure of an etrog, below that it's going to be not good. רבי מאיר אומר כאגוז. Rabbi Meir says the smallest it can be is like a nut. Rabbi Yehuda אומר כביצה. Rabbi Yehuda says the smallest is like an egg. והלכה כרבי יהודה. And the law is like Yehuda, שפחות מכביצה פסול. That if you have an etrog less than the size of a ביצה, then it is not good. And what about the smallest it can be? What about the biggest it can be? ובגדול, והשיעור הגדול ביותר של אתרוג, what's the biggest measurement? The biggest measurement, כדי שיאכל שניים, that you're able to hold 2 etrogim in one hand. If you can't hold 2 etrogim in one hand, it's too big. Yeah, שני אתרוגים בידו אחת, which means that if you can take these 2 sizes of etrogim and hold it in one hand, one of them will fall, then it's too big. This is דברי Rabbi Yehuda. So according to Rabbi Yehuda, the Yemenite etrog is not good. Yeah, according to Rabbi Yehuda. דברי Rabbi Yehuda, and טעמו מבואר בגמרא. It says, Rabbi Yehuda, where are you taking it? I understand the small, it has to be a certain kind of measurement. And the measurement of Beitza is eating. Again, yeah, it's not a meal. Yeah. So it says, where do we see this? It says, where do you get it? So it says it's a practical application of the law. How are you going to check the lulav? It says, כדי שיוכל בשעת הצורך, because it says it has to be small enough. You're going to extend. כדי שיוכל בשעת הצורך, לאחוז ביד אחת את הלולב והאתרוג. You need sometimes to hold your siddur or to hold something. You need lulav and etrog in one hand. For example, when you do the akafos, when you walk with there, exactly, it's a problematic. So you need enough lulav and etrog to walk in one hand. שהואילו מצוות לולב בימין, since the lulav is in the right, ואתרוג בשמאל, and the etrog is in the left, אם נותנים לו לפעמים את האתרוג בימין ואת הלולב בשמאל, sometimes when you take it from a friend, you take it the opposite hands, he gives the opposite hands, הרי הוא צריך להחליפה מיד ליד ולאחוז בינתיים את הלולב ואתרוג ביד אחד. He needs, when he places them, to hold it in one hand for 1 second. And for that 1 second, it will fall if it's more than 2. So it's not practical. So it's practical reason. ואם האתרוג יהיה גדול מדי, עלול הוא ליפול ולהיפסל. If the etrog is going to be too big, it's not practical, you can't do it. Rabbi Yossi disagrees with Rabbi Yehuda. He says, אפילו אחד בשתי ידיו. It says, as long as you can pick it up with 2 hands, it can be like a pumpkin that weighs 300 pounds. I don't care. Yeah? As long as you can pick it with 2 hands even. Yeah? כלומר שלדעת רבי יוסי, according to רבי יוסי, אין לאתרוג שיעור למעלה. It says it doesn't have measurements. If you can pick it up, you're good. If you can't pick it up, you're not good. The measurement is that you have...
What is as big as Avatia?
Yeah.
Pick it up, how you make brachas?
Yeah, it's kosher. Be strong, be Hercules. Maybe you're not, somebody who can do it. You maybe can't, but a big guy, one of those guys, he can do it. So don't tell me it's not kosher. It's kosher. Maybe you're not able to do it, but it's he can do it. That's why you can go like this, and you can go the lulav, and you can go like this. Yeah, whatever. כלומר, ואפילו אתרוג גדול מאוד שזרוק בשתי ידיו, even the etrog is so big that you need to hold it with 2 hands, כאשר הוא. ובגמרא מובאת ברייתא. And the Gemara brings a ברייתא. אמר רבי יוסי said, מעשה ברבי עקיבא שבא לבית הכנסת ואתרוגו על כתפו. It says, I have a story from Rabbi Akiva that he had such a big etrog, he couldn't carry it. He used to put it on his shoulder, like this. He walked with it. אמר לו רבי יהודה, Rabbi Yehuda says, you're bringing from there a proof? Misham re'aya? So you bring out as a proof? It says, it's not a proof. It says, look what the sages told them. Afhem amru lo, the house of Shammai or the sages, I don't know who told them, Ein ze adar, they told Rabbi Akiva, this is not called beautiful. Beautiful, let's look beautiful. This is not beautiful. This looks like a pumpkin. It's not an etrog. What you're bringing is a pumpkin, it's not a etrog. You need to bring an etrog. This is not etrog. יש גורסים במשנתנו, there are those who says, ובגדול כדי שיאחז שניהם. And in the big, not that you will hold in two hands, that in order for him to be able to hold both of them, היינו עלולה ואתרוג בידו אחת. דברי רבי יהודה. רבי יוסי אומר אפילו בשתי ידיו. Rabbi Yossi says, no, it's not enough one hand. Even if you two hands, yeah, which means one hand for the etrog, one hand for the lulav, you're still good. Yeah. כלומר, אפילו הלולב והאתרוג בשתי ידיו, והלולב בידו האחת ובידו האחת, מכל מקום הלכה כרבי יוסי. Nevertheless, halacha is like Rabbi Yossi, and we don't know, it looks like there's no measurement for up, according to Rabbi Yossi. Yeah. In other words, the halacha is that the Yemenite etrogim are kosher. Not like Rabbi Yehuda who says, no, they're too big.
They're too big. Yeah.
They're too big. Okay.